Alright guys, example 2 here says what is the value of the opposite side in this triangle? So again, like always, the first thing that we're going to do is let's identify our information. Our hypotenuse is the side on the other side of the triangle to the right angle, sorry. So there's our hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse in this case is blank. Our reference angle, it's up here, it's 45 degrees. So our reference angle is 45 degrees. The opposite side is y, and the adjacent side, one left over, is 7 meters. So what we have here is we have something that deals with the opposite and the adjacent. And we know that opposite and adjacent is TOA, so the tangent function. So we know that tangent of our reference angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. So tan of 45 is equal to y over 7. Remembering here, our numerator is the thing that we don't know, so the denominator jumps over to the other side and becomes multiplication. So therefore, y is equal to 7 multiplied by tan of 45 degrees, and now we just pop that onto our calculator. So 7 times tan of 45, close my bracket, and we get 7. So the answer here is going to be 7 meters. Alright guys, example 3 here asks us to evaluate the pronumeral correct to 2 decimal places. So the pronumeral, remember, it's just the letter that stands in the place of a number. So as always, the first thing is let's identify all our information. Our hypotenuse here, the side opposite the right angle, is 80 centimeters. Our reference angle is 28 degrees. The opposite side is on the other side to our reference angle, so it is B. And the adjacent side is blank, so it's just blank. So what we are looking at is something that deals with the opposite and the hypotenuse. And what deals with opposite and hypotenuse? That's so sine. So what we're going to write is that sine of the reference angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now we're going to substitute in our information. So sine of 28 is equal to B over 80. Therefore, B is equal to, remember, 80 comes over and multiplies. 80 times sine of 28, which is equal to, grab out our calculator, clear that and go 80 times sine of 28, close our bracket, and we get 37.5577 blah blah blah. Remember the question asked us to round to 2 decimal places. So to 2 decimal places, that's 7. It makes the 5 round up. So we get 37.56 centimeters.